Chapter 4. The order is rigged. This is the most outrageous deception on this list, and most people have never heard of it. Banks reorder your transactions to collect extra fees. Imagine this. You have $250 in your checking account. In the morning, you spend $4 on coffee, $6 on a snack, $8 on parking, a total of $18. Your balance is now $232. Then in the afternoon, a $260 rent payment comes in. With the real order, the math is this. Coffee, snack, parking all go through successfully. Your rent payment pulls your account to negative $28. One overdraft fee, $35. The bank's order is different. The bank processes the largest transaction first. The rent payment goes through first, draining your account. Now the $4 coffee comes in, account is in the negative, overdraft fee. The $6 snack, overdraft fee. The $8 parking, overdraft fee. The same spending, 3 times the fee. $105 instead of $35. This went to court. Banks paid hundreds of millions of dollars in settlements for exactly this practice. And after the settlements, they kept doing it. They just changed the names. They called it high-to-low transaction ordering. They called it transaction sequencing. They wrapped it in a courtesy overdraft protection service that you were enrolled in by default. A service that is one of the most profitable items across the bank's entire product range. They didn't make a mistake. The order was chosen by a system to extract more money from you. The transactions occurred in one order in real life, and the bank chose to process them in a different order because that different order made them more money. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Because once you've seen it, you can never unsee it.